Welcome everyone to this video. In this video, I will tell you about the feature that is in front of you but still you don't know about it. This feature is gonna blow your mind. In this video, I'll tell you how to convert your speech in a text in any application in Windows 11. And in the last, I will give you a small little bonus tip. It's gonna be a really informative video, so let's just get right into it. So now I'll tell you how to convert your speech in a text. We're gonna use this feature in 3 different applications: Microsoft Word, Notepad, and Google Slides. But first, we'll use it on Notepad. So I have got a little window of a Notepad right here, and to access that feature, we just have to click on the Windows key with the H key. So we get this dialog box and we have 3 options. One is just learn more, and with this button I can just click on it and it'll start typing what I speak. And we have another option that is the settings, and it has a feature called auto punctuation. You must turn on this feature as this feature is amazing. For example, if you have a sentence, it can add full stop, comma, exclamation mark, inverted commas wherever needed. It is an amazing feature that you must turn on, and it works flawlessly. So right now I'll just click on this and I'll click on this button, and as you can see, it started typing what I am speaking. So I'll just turn that off, and here you can clearly see it flawlessly just typed whatever I said with the right punctuation and the capital letters. So this is it for the Notepad, and in the next part of the video, I'll just show this feature, how it works on Google Slides and Microsoft Word. So let's go. So now we will try this exact same feature but on MS Word. So I've opened up an MS Word document and I'll press Windows key plus H. So I've stopped it. Let's backspace all of that. And by the way, I wanted to tell you that this feature works on every Microsoft app, be it Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Well, you won't use it on Excel, but if there is a rare use case scenario, well, you can use it. But let's try it on Word, and now I'll just speak a full sentence to show you its auto punctuation. So let's start. Welcome to our channel. Our name is Brainy Brothers. So here you can see it capitalized the W of welcome, it added a full stop, and it capitalized the first letter of this sentence as well and added the full stop at the last. So here you can see that this feature works flawlessly on any application you use it. And now we'll see how this works on Google Slides. So now we'll see how we can use speech to text in Google Slides, and basically you can use this feature on every software, app, anything on Windows 11. It doesn't work on Windows 10, it just works on Windows 11. So now we'll do the same method. Windows key plus H. Stop it. And I'll say something like, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. So here you can see it added full stop, capital letter, and it worked flawlessly, effortlessly again. And you can use this on docs and every software on this laptop, PC, or anything you work on. So now at the end, I will show you a little trick. So let's go. So the trick that I'll show is using emoji in any software like the previous tip. We can use this feature in any software on your laptop, and it is emojis. So we'll insert a emoji, sorry, not a emoji, an emoji in Word. So let's start. So the shortcut key is Windows key plus the full stop or the greater than key, and that will give you emojis. So it's not just emojis, we have gifs, kaomojis, and symbols. So we can use any of them. So let's insert this kaomoji and some emojis. Of course, gifs will not work like on Word, but it can work on like WhatsApp, Facebook, and some other apps like Instagram. And we can also use symbols like this. So this was also the bonus tip for this video, and this is it for this video. Thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe to our channel because it would help us immensely. Brainy Brothers are signing off for now. Bye bye. See you soon.